Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to go over the latest post on ZNOG, ticker symbol ZNOG, on their Twitter page. We're going to take a look at some pictures, and then we'll dive a little bit into one of the pictures and see exactly what this company is doing there on their site at the MJ01. So it says, see all 8 posts in the thread. For all pics and videos, continue to pray for the crew in Israel. These pics and videos were taken last week. If you haven't already read the update from August 22nd, you may do so here, which they link that in the description, which we've already covered, so we're not going to go over that, but I'll link it in the description below for you to take a look at if you are a little bit late to the game. So here's some pictures from last week on their Twitter page, and you see here, coming down here, there's a couple videos, there's some pictures of the crew working. And I want to focus on this picture here. Alright, and we're going to take a look at this company right here, the H2 Oil, at which if we look at one of the pictures, if I can find it, I thought I had it, here it is, WFR Oil Field Services. So a lot of speculation I saw online about what this was there for, what this tank was there for, and so I wanted to just kind of do a little bit of research and kind of clear it up and let everyone know exactly what this company is. So WFR Oil Field Services, it says the ultimate partner in oil and gas and more, wellhead maintenance, pumping services, well testing, maintenance and inspection, plant and pipeline services, and well services. So it could be a lot of different things. Okay, so if you go and click on some of these things, wellhead maintenance, it talks about, pressure testing, torque and tension, inflow testing, and Christmas tree valves, function testing of valves, choking actuators, valve flushing, greasing, and the list goes on and on of what it could be. So I'm going to link this website, this specific page right here, in the description below. You can click on it and read through all of these different services that they provide, and you can figure out exactly what they're doing there, but you won't really figure it out because the company won't tell you. But they're there for one of those things here, of one of the lists here. That's what that company was there for. So you can kind of go through that and read exactly what they do and figure that out. Okay, so let's take a look at the price. All right, guys. So the price action, or lack thereof, on ZNOG, we're right at about 5 cents, and for the 1 day, for yesterday, 5 day, we're down about 9%, so we were up over 5 cents, now below it again. 1 month, up 20% from the low, and then the past 6 months down 20%. Again, this one's not really going to do anything until they have some type of news coming out, and then this actually may stay right where it's at until we kind of know exactly what's going to happen, I guess, with the election. I think if the election goes one way, I think all oil and gas type stocks could see a increase in price, this one included, just overall. And if the election goes the other way, then it could suppress them and keep them kind of where they are, lower. But this one here, of course, it's dependent on the result of the MJ01. If they have some good news and get everything like they need it done, then obviously this should move in the right direction. As far as price point on that, nobody knows what that's going to be. Everyone has their own speculation, but no one really knows. So real quick, I want to go through a crypto post and talk a little bit about that, because we do cover some cryptocurrency stuff on the channel. This is a post from Ash Crypto, somebody we talked about that we follow and we recommend you follow. It says, since 2023, Bitcoin has followed a recurring pattern in the cycle's uptrend. And it says her observation, whatever it is, he or her. It says macro reversal, markup, fear, disbelief, manipulation, and then repeat. Currently looks like we're in the manipulative phase. The whales and institutions will let everyone believe that the bull run is over, and you can call it a big bear trap. The next phase could be unstoppable markup towards 100,000. Here's the thing. Everyone keeps posting all these different posts and charts and all this type of stuff, and everyone's like, oh, this is it. It's time for the reversal. It's time for this, time for that. Nobody knows when the big spike up's going to happen. Nobody knew when this was going to happen. It just kind of happened, in my opinion, because this could have easily gone the other way. And I know it's like, oh, look, the chart pattern. Not necessarily, because I think this is going to be, again, dependent on a lot of stuff of what's going to be happening in the election. I think that you could see a sideways move or continue down, downward fall on cryptocurrency until November. You could see a little spike up. I don't think you see the big, massive run until people know what's going to be happening in November. That's just my personal opinion. Okay, so I think the next couple of months you have buying opportunities. I could be completely wrong, because it can just take off like it did earlier this year, just out of nowhere. In my opinion, just started booming and all that stuff. And and all the news about crypto, and something that just came out yesterday was Kamala Harris. She accepts crypto payments towards her campaign. Okay. And they acted like it was such a big deal. Well, guess what? Cryptocurrency payments are measured in what? Say it with me. US dollars. So she ultimately accepts US dollars towards her campaign, which is not news, okay? So just keep in mind that I think you still have time before the big move happens. I think a couple of months, if we're going to have anyone at all. So I think that we are going to have some time to still accumulate, but I do think we have some type of big run up. And when that happens on Bitcoin, watch for Ethereum to follow, and then watch for all the other alts and then the other memes, popular meme coins and stuff as well. But I think we do still have at least 1 to 2 more months before that move may happen. So anyway, guys, not trying to be skeptical, just trying to be real. So let me know your comments below. Other than that,